I'm Director of Culinary Innovation, Chef Greg Muller. I'm a World Chef certified master chef with over 18 years experience. If you name it, I can cook it. So let's get cooking. What's up, RTech family? Chef Greg here with you today. We'd like to welcome you to the Wild Side. All right, guys, today we're gonna build a larger fire on our Wild Side. We've got a lot of cooking, so we're gonna build a really hot coal bed. Let's get started. First and foremost, we're gonna raise our grate up all the way to the top. We're gonna assemble our log cabin using lump hardwood. We're gonna light that using fat lighter. Let's get started. So there are many different ways to start your fire. My preferred method is the log cabin method, but there are other really easy methods around the teepee method, but I prefer the log cabin. I think it's the fastest way to get it started. So for our large fire, we've got a really nice base of our log cabin started. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that fan on high. That's gonna give us really great air circulation and ensure that this fire starts quickly. We'll also have some fat lighter sticks. We'll get those lit with a lighter, we'll tuck them into the log cabin, and that'll get everything lit super quick. So to develop really good coals, this will probably take about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower the grate, plenty of time to get your meat marinating. All right, today we've showed you how to build a larger fire for those higher heat, longer cooks. If you're curious how to build a smaller fire, we have a quick video on YouTube that as well. In about 5 minutes, we'll be good to cook. We'll see you on the Wild Side.